We are Leah and Jessica. We finally left Singer Island, Florida, and we are headed up the state and out of Florida. This week we got to swim and explore a couple different freshwater springs, and it was life-changing. So jaw-dropping, beautiful. We also got to park at a really cool lake that I wanted to stay at forever, but we did have to leave. So here are those clips. Enjoy.
Ew. Why do we need that?
Smells like wildlife.
Ew.
You can crunch it up and put it on our salad.
Ew.
We have a video on Micanopy from last year when we were here, and we're back. It is so cute. Seriously, you guys, like every house is unique and so cute. All the little shops and everything. It's very, very cute.
He's got flowers in his mouth. Wow! That's so cool. Ah! Wait, stay. You doing, Jess?
Goofing around. Turtles and otters in here. It's not that cold.
It's actually freezing, so. We are at Ichituckney State Park in Florida. And there's probably gators somewhere. There's a bunch of turtles over there.
There are no gators because it's cold spring water. It's a freshwater spring.
Yeah, this is a freshwater spring. You can see like little bubbles or whatever of the spring coming out of the ground. And it's really clear. So pretty.
So we were at the wrong swimming hole. On our walk back, we discovered the real swimming hole. So,
Oh, we're in Florida.
let's go swimming.
Nice.
Okay, I'm. We just came back. I got my snorkel stuff, and my moo and my swimsuit.
Ooh.
Leah is ready for a run, and we're gonna go our separate ways. I'm gonna go snorkel that hole we were just at, and then we're gonna come back and snorkel that second hole that we found together. And I'm so excited, and I have the GoPro, so I'm gonna take footage of the turtles. The turtles.
We just finished snorkeling the springs, and now we're going to have lunch and hit the road to go to our campsite tonight. Woo!
Oh my gosh, we're leaving! Said goodbye, Florida State Park. I never know the names of them. You served us great joy, giggles, laughter, food, swimming, and turtles this day. What a
We're
day.
going 3 hours north.
3.5 hours.
We don't even know what town we're in right now.
Yeah.
So who knows what town we're going to.
I don't care, but we're going camping, y'all. We're gonna have a fire tonight. I'm so excited.
Should we pull out the tent?
I'm down. I'm about to have a ramen tonight, you guys. I'm so excited for some ramen. Yay, nobody else is here yet. This is our little fire pit for the night. And here we are. This pretty spot. And we got this double camping chair for Christmas, so that's awesome.
Thanks for joining us on our freshwater springs adventure. Join us next week as we head up to North Carolina.